Welcome to exciting world of Python programming. In this chapter, you will learn about Python, a programming language, simple, powerful programming language that is used to give instructions to the computer. So computers can't think on their own, but they need high level programming languages like Python to perform various tasks. In this chapter of Introduction to Python, you will learn how can you write Python programs in various ways, how these programs are run, and why Python? Because learning Python builds a strong foundation in programming and help you develop problem solving skills. So sit comfortably, keep your notebooks ready, and let's start the journey of Python. What is Python? High level, object oriented, general purpose programming language. Why Python? Because it's simple. It's freely available. It has got readability also. That is why Python is being used. And what are the various applications of Python? Web development, app development, software development, very important, artificial intelligence and machine learning, data science, and scientific computing. Python is freely available, readily available, simple and easy syntax. Why Python is a preferred language? Because it has got simple and easy syntax. It's a versatile language used in many applications. It's an interpreted language because it runs the program without compiling. High level programming language, the programming language that we programmers, we humans can understand. Python programs are portable, means across different platforms, across different computers, you can run that particular Python program. It's an object-oriented language. It has got rich inbuilt functions and it can work on different devices. So from where we'll say it's easy, it's simple, it's freely available, but from where we can download this Python? It can be downloaded from this www.python.org. Click on downloads. Click on download for Windows. You can download for Mac operating system also. You can download it for Linux operating system also. You can download it for different platforms. But here we have downloaded it for Windows. Click on this Python 3.13.1. So Python will be downloaded on your computer. So there are three different ways in which you can use Python. First is your interactive mode. Second is your script or command line mode. Third is your integrated development environment mode, IT mode. Once you have downloaded Python, you can run your program in any of three ways: interactive, script, idle. And the most preferred mode is this integrated development environment where we do write programs. First is interactive mode. What is interactive mode? You can get this command prompt by typing on run. Click on run command, press type command. This command prompt will come on the screen. So navigate to the Python folder and type Python. So I am saying navigate to the Python folder and type Python, but how? This is the way. Look, in my computer, I have gone to first CD, change directory to app data. Then this is the app data directory. From here, I have gone to local. This is the local subdirectory. Here I have gone to programs, program subdirectory. From programs to Python, Python subdirectory, and from Python to Python 3.1.3 version. Once I enter this Python 3.1.3, type this word Python, and this Python prompt, this is the Python prompt that will appear. On your computer, you may find Python 3.1.3 or the latest version of Python in some other folder. Go to that folder and type this word Python, press enter, this Python prompt will appear. So what you have to do in this Python prompt? Likewise, I want to print hello to the world of coding. This Python prompt, I will write print, bracket start, single comma or double comma, hello to the world of coding, comma will end, bracket will end, press enter. The same thing will be printed on the screen, and again Python prompt will come. Let's see another program. Python prompt, name within double quotes, I have written Sugam. After print statement, I have written my name is this ends, double quote ends, plus name. The output will be my name is Sugam. This I am doing it in the, you can say, command mode. Another mode is your script mode or command line mode. Script means set of instructions. You have read MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint. You create lines of text over there and create a file. Now in Python, you can also create a file, but that is in this script mode. Those sequence of instructions are saved in a file and executed on the command prompt. Important thing about Python is that every Python program have a extension of .py. So how to run a program in script mode? Open any text editor. I have opened the notepad. I have typed these lines of code. A is equal to 5, B is equal to 10, C is equal to A plus B, print C. A is input, B is input, C is equal to 5 plus 10, it becomes 15. So 15 will be printed. Now just save this file using .py extension, because every Python program have .py extension. This is the one way of creating a script. Another way of creating a script is instruction copy con filename.py. Type these 4 lines of code, press Ctrl plus Z. Look at this one. Copy con sum.py, a is equal to 5, b is equal to 10, c is equal to a plus b, print c, press Ctrl plus Z. So sum.py file is created. Now to run this file, on this prompt type sum.py, output of 10 plus 5, 15 is produced. This is the way to create a file in the script or command line mode. One is using Notepad, another is using copy con command filename.py. Third and the final and the most important mode, that is integrated development environment, which is the most preferred mode where we will write programs. This is the most preferred mode of writing programs, and in this class and in different classes we normally write programs using integrated development mode. It is the default editor that comes with the Python. This idle is installed by default. It's a basic editor. It includes a shell for testing and executing Python commands. Very lightweight. It finds errors comfortably. So how to use idle? Click at Python. Click at idle. This idle shell screen will come and this Python prompt will be displayed. Now next is click on File, click on New. This window will open. Write the set of instructions. X is equal to 5, Y is equal to 10, MUL is equal to X multiplied by Y. Print the product is MUL and run this particular program. The output of 50 will be produced. Save this program by clicking at File and Save. How to run this particular program? Click on Run module or press F5. Output of 50 is produced. So this is the way how to run Python program. Different 3 ways to run a Python program. With this, I complete this particular topic. Have a good day.